Freestyle walk with the kickboard is executed by walking up and down the shallow end of the pool and stroking the catch-up stroke with the arms. Do not walk past the point where the water depth exceeds the shoulders. The arm should stroke one arm at a time. The resting arm should begin stroking only after the stroking arm touches the board. Breathe in between each stroke. The purpose of the freestyle walk is to introduce beginner swimmers to the basic freestyle stroke mechanics, or movement of the arms for a freestyle stroke. This is why the drill involves only the freestyle mechanics of the upper body. It's important to introduce new drills and techniques in baby steps or small steps before putting an entire stroke and/or drill together.